How to hide apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide apps on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the settings, simply tap on the search bar at the top. And now after that, simply type hide apps and search for it. Now here you can see the hidden apps on the search result. So simply tap on that. Now here you will see the list of all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So simply toggle on the app that you want to hide. And once you have done that, the selected apps will disappear from your home screen and app drawer. And that's it. That's how you can hide apps on Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.